Hey everybody, welcome back. Looking at a 2011 Kenworth T800 extended day cab. This truck has a fresh rebuild on the engine. Cat C13 in a 2011. Very hard to find. No DEF fluid, DPF filter. Brand new Platinum Overhaul, 2-year unlimited mile warranty, upgradable to a 4-year unlimited mile. As you can see, this is the extended day cab. Got plenty of frame space here, step boxes. This does have a PTO and a 2-line Wetkit on it. There's a 14,000 pound front axle, 46,000 pound rear. Get in here and look. It is beefed up, air slide 5th wheel. This is the real deal. Heavy spec, extended day cab. Very, very hard to find. Truck only has 430,000 miles. Aluminum wheels, tons of storage on this. Again, PTO and Wetkit. Clean truck. Got a little custom paint on there. 2-year unlimited mile warranty on the engine. Upgradable to 4-year unlimited miles. Done at a certified shop here at MHC. Pop the hood. Take a look. Let's fire it up real quick. $420,781 miles. Take a look at the interior here. (13-speed, 391 gear ratio. Dry weight, scale weight on this truck is 17,465. Some data tags here. You can see floor's in good shape. Seats are in good shape. Overall, the whole interior is in good shape. Truck's really clean. Got a suspension load gauge. Take a look here at the dash. CB. Again, this is a 2011 Kenworth T800 extended day cab. About the most comfortable day cab on the market. 420,000 miles. With a brand new fresh Platinum Overhaul done by a certified shop here at MHC. 2-year unlimited mile warranty. PTO, Wetkit. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.